SATCO's LED low-profile directional downlights with remote driver offer versatility with their color-selectable feature and low-profile design, which seamlessly integrates into various environments. Select from 4-inch and 6-inch sizes, available in both round and square shapes. Additionally, they are offered in black or white finishes, ensuring they aesthetically fit into any architectural design. Our downlights provide 360-degree rotation and a versatile 0 to 80-degree aiming angle. This allows for precise control over the direction and focus of the light, enabling you to illuminate your desired area. With our 5 CCT selectable technology, you have the freedom to choose from a wide range of color temperatures. Options include 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. This flexibility enables you to create the perfect lighting environment for any space. The downlight's low-profile design and remote driver fit neatly into shallow ceilings, cabinets, and even low-clearance basement ceilings. They are ideal for both new and existing construction without the need for recessed cans. Our downlights are damp location rated, designed to withstand moisture-rich environments. This means they can confidently be installed in bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas prone to moisture. With an average rate life of 50,000 hours and ENERGY STAR certified, these fixtures offer both energy efficiency and cost savings. Contact us or visit our website to learn more about our LED low-profile directional downlights with remote driver and discover how they can enhance your lighting designs.